friends, it's Terri Gaines, independent demonstrator with Stampin Up. In this short video, I would like to share my June 2025 thank you gifts for selecting me as your Stampin Up demonstrator when you place an order. I appreciate everyone who does select me, and I want to thank them with a gift. But first, I want to talk about Stampin Up Sweets and Sweet Product Sale that goes through June 30th. It's buy one and get one 50% off. I do want to talk about Sweet. Sweet is a one code number that gets everything in the suite on your order form. If one of those items are not available, that code number will not work, but you can purchase those items that are available, and they are included in the sale. Suites are available in the annual catalog, they're online exclusives, and there's some Sweet products in the last chance list. So for example, if you have two suites that you want to purchase and they're the only two items on your order form, one of them is going to be 50% off. If you add a last chance item onto that order, that item is going to be 50% off. It's the least expensive item that is 50% off, just like sales at other places. So just heads up on that, but this is an amazing offer, and that goes through June 30th. I also want you to know that Stampin' Up! Has a reward program. For every online order over $20 or and over, you're going to earn 10% of your entire order in Stampin' Rewards to use on a future order. So keep that in mind when you place your online order. You do need to opt into that program. So for a thank you gift for a $40 order, I have a fun fold packet that I'm going to mail you. I also email you a PDF with a link to a video tutorial to assist you in assembling the packet. The packet contains a postcard with instructions and measurements. It includes a miniature card that you attach to the postcard. Let me rephrase that. It includes materials for this miniature card. Everything is cut and ready to assemble. You need your own stamps, ink, and adhesive. And this miniature card gets attached to the card. So next time you create this project, you have a little miniature card to reference. The main card, I have used the Thoughtful Journey Designer Series paper and the Scenic Adventure dies for this card. There's a belly band on it. You open it up and it has a floating element, and it is absolutely a beautiful card for many different occasions. The back is where you're going to sign it. As I mentioned, everything in the packet is cut and die cut, and it's ready for you to stamp and assemble. For a $60 order, now keep in mind at a $40 order, you also have earned $4 in rewards. Oh boy, before I go on, let me show you some of the other samples that I've created with this fun fold. And what I have, creating a PDF that I will email everybody who places a $40 order, the PDF with all these additional samples. So I have several different samples. I will give a listing of the product that I use for these samples. You can have elements float here with sentiments or decorative elements. I do have a belly band on some of these, which helps keep the card closed. But when somebody receives this card, they're going to set it on a mantle or a desk and most likely have it displayed open. And there's so many possibilities with this fun fold. Now you can tie a ribbon around it. That works great. And you can have different size elements floating on this card. I also created some without belly bands, and let me bring some of those in. So that I received the card, it'd be like this, and then you have the floating hearts. Now there are measurements in my instructions for your max size here. In this case, I added an element to the back of the card, or the back of the brace here. And then here's another one with some designer series paper, and I decreased the size of that brace and just have a little bit of that showing, which works out well. And here's another one that I added a sentiment on the outside. Open this up, and then I have an element floating. This is from the Wildflower Birthday specialty paper. So I will also email a PDF with all of those samples in there. I also have a gift if your order is at $60. If your order is at $60, I'm going to send you this little card kit. There's card bases in here. So there's 6 card bases and 4 designer series papers. You use your own stamps and an ink and adhesive, and you can add a sentiment and create 4 simple cards, or you can add some die elements or whatever you would like for elements and use those materials in any fashion that you would like. I will email a PDF with my samples on there. Now, I also have a gift at a $75 order, and I've offered this for a while, and I will continue to offer this. This is a card sketch booklet with 131 card sketches in here. And these are card sketches that I've created over the years for my team. My team name is Inking of You. And we've used these for different team events and samplers that we've created. So I've combined these into a booklet, 1 per customer, and it is not for sale. It is only a thank you gift for an order. So I do want you to know that. One more item I'd like to talk about. A couple weeks ago on my blog, I shared several cards created with some amazing product. I created some cards with the garden and glass, glass and gardens embossing folders. I do know that these currently are not available. They're expected in the week of June 30th. I used this product. I used the washi tape, the Extraordinary Floral washi tape, which also is currently not available. It's expected the week of June 16th. I used the die that coordinates with the washi tape, the stamp set for some of them, and for some of the cards I used the framed scenes bundle. If you purchase let me rephrase that. I only used the dies. I did not use the stamp set. If you purchase these dies from me, this stamp set, that die, the embossing folders, or the washi tape, I will email you a PDF with 5 different cards that are on my blog with QR codes to get directly to the project sheet or the video tutorial, or you can click on these if you save it on your computer. This will be just a quick reference to 5 different cards that I've created using all or some of those products that I just shared. So this is just an extra little bonus I had last month that I'm carrying over for this month. And on my YouTube channel, you can find all the video tutorials how you can recreate these cards. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. As I mentioned, I appreciate everybody who selects me as their Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. And I hope you enjoy my tutorials on YouTube. I would love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel and reach out to me if you have questions. Take care and happy creating.